Why is trading so hard and how to make it simple? Trading is hard. We all know that. We all are starting to get that it's not all about making money super quickly, but it takes a long time to learn the concepts, learn how to trade, and be good at it. Some people say and compare it to being a pro athlete. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make it so simple, even a 12-year-old kid could do it. Let me ask you something. So when you backtest your strategy, do you see your account balance go up and down, or your profit or loss going plus or minus? No, you don't, because the only thing you write is I won my trade or I lost my trade, and then that's it. But why are you looking at the P&L during your trade? All right, let me show you how my chart looks. Here is the trade I didn't take, just a cherry pick trade, but you can see the price went up, retested our previous support, became resistance, and then it goes into our TP. Does it matter? So we entering right here, right? Basically, we enter right here. Does it matter what the price does in between? It could go up, it could go down, it could go sideways, it could go backwards, it could go flying, it could go run around the lap around your block, it could go drive your car, it could go see your mom. I don't care. I don't care what the price does. All I care about is if it goes, all I care about if the price goes here or if the price goes here. So I don't need to look at my account balance going up and down. I don't need to know what my take profit or take loss is. I just need to know if the price went here or the price went here. Let me show you something that helped me a lot. If you trade on TradingView, right? If you trade on TradingView, you come here and remove the account balance from the chart. You realize P&L, you can remove it. You can remove all of these things. So if you were to get into a trade, let's say I was going to trade right here, right? Market sell. So right now I'm in a trade. Do I know how much money I'm losing right now? No. Because what matters is if the price goes into TP or it goes into stop loss. It doesn't matter what the price does in between. It could just go run circles, like I said. It doesn't matter. I don't need to see it in my account balance. I don't see my account balance. Like I said, you turn it off right here. See, now my account balance is this much. You don't need to see this. You don't need to see your liquidity. You don't need to see your profit realized. You don't need to see unrealized. You don't need to see any of these. You don't even need to see your account balance. Personally, I don't even look at my account balance until the end of the week. I will take trades on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and still don't know how much money I made or how much money I lost, because trading is not about the money. Trading is about respecting your strategy. So please, guys, to make your life simpler and make trading simpler, remove all these account balance, profit and loss from your chart. It will help you tremendously. Just do it. Look, if I ask you to explain your strategy in one sentence, would you be able to, or would it be too complicated for you? How do you think you're going to do if you can't explain your strategy in one sentence when you are trading against $1 trillion market? It's going to be hard. And I've tried complicated strategies, right? Like, for example, if there's a fair value gap in the higher time frame, I wait for liquidity taken in the 1 minute. And if the break of structure happens, and then it's uptrend in the 4 hour, and there's just too many things. It's gonna paralyze you. There's too many concepts. There's too many things you're trying to achieve in your strategy. these things you might be able to execute them in the back testing, but in real time they're not possible. I'm telling you, they're not possible to execute. How I personally became profitable is by respecting one or two simple strategies. What I trade is literally break. If there's a resistance, it breaks the resistance, it retests the resistance, and I take the trade. It's that simple. I could explain this to my little brother, he would still understand. If your strategy is not that simple, you're going to have a really hard time when you're going against the market. Because the market, when you are in a trade, there's a million other things going on. The price going up and down. There's FOMO. There's greed. There's like the high stress. There's so much going on that the last thing you want to do is trying to remember what your strategy is. Make your strategy so simple, it will help you become profitable. This is one of the three things that made me profitable. Look, my tip number 3 to make your life easier when you're trading is basically, it's not my favorite thing in the world, but it is the truth. If you don't sleep enough, if you don't eat well, if you don't train your body, you will have brain fog. You will not be able to see and recognize the strategy patterns you're looking for. You will not be able to execute and take the trade because of overthinking. If you want to make your trading simpler while you're trading, you kind of have to make your life simpler by going to the gym. Well, it doesn't make your life simpler, but it makes your trading simpler because you'll be more awake, you'll feel better, and your cognitive function will be better by just training and going to the gym and eating better and sleeping better. I know it's not the coolest answer in the world and on how to make your trading simpler, but it is what it is. This is what does work. You kind of have to make the sacrifice. This is why trading is not the easiest, but it's not about being the easiest. It's about being the simplest, If you want to have simple pattern recognition and not have too many brain fog and make it simple while you're trading, you kind of have to train, like I said, eat better, and sleep better. Look, I promise if you keep trading simple, you will start making profits, you will get funded, you will have everything you ever imagined. I'm not saying trading is easy, I'm just saying make it simple for yourself. The reason I started this YouTube channel is to have a community I can teach, I can lead. If you want to be part of the community, join my channel. I have a Discord which is free at the moment. I will most likely make it paid eventually when the community grows. It is free at the moment, and I'll be trading live between 7 and 8:30 p.m. We trade the Asia session. You can look at the link below and you'll have more information on it. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate. I will answer them. I'm here for you guys, and I'm here for my fellow traders. Come take the leap with me, and Leap of Trade is out.